कितना आप लोगों ने क्रिस्टल हीलिंग की क्लास कितनी एंजॉय करी? सो आई वुड लाइक, ओके, Teresa to go first.
Remember? Okay. Let me think. So first of all, after Reiki, and while I remember when we were you were teaching us about the Reiki box. You
Hmm.
mentioned about crystals to be put in there,
Hmm. Hmm.
and मैं सोचती थी कि really crystals में इतना रहता है क्या energy, and does that bring that same kind of positive vibes that I am experiencing right now in Reiki, because तब तक वो काफी time हो गया था.
Hmm.
And jitna, as the class went, of course, it was a lot of knowledge in terms of what each crystal means, what is the significance of it, and how it still connects back to Reiki. So it's not like a completely different universe for me. It's somehow connected, and then I started drawing the connections. And of course, when you see the stones itself, then it's an experience in itself, and you feel like there are. And I remember pehle class mein aapne bola tha कि look at the stones and see what which one draws you the most. And मुझे पर्सनली रोज क्वार्ट्ज पहले ही इसमें बहुत ये पसंद आया था, and I felt like this is what I want to keep. And later on when you explained about rose quartz, I think I understand उसका क्या
Why were
connection
you
भी
drawn
है.
towards that crystal? Hmm. Hmm.
In general, I enjoyed the class, and I also think that it's not two different fields; they are well connected. And yeah, so somebody who has done Reiki, this will just be amplifying
Ah,
the effect.
yes, yes, yes,
That
right.
that is that is my overall take. But class, so what to say, ma'am? You're very good at it, so
Right.
so it's always nice
Thank
to connect with you, your energy, and yeah, and then when you have crystals also around, I think वो energy हमारे पास भी आ जाती है.
thank you so much for a lovely feedback. So मुझे लगा कि नहीं, अभी बहुत दिन हो गए हैं. So let me just find out कि you know what all you learned and how did you like the class. कुछ कितना इंटरेस्ट आप लोगों ने डेवलप किया in crystal healing. तो बस मुझे वही थोड़ा सा जानना था, और तो ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. ठीक है,
And
इस
now
क्लास.
I'm waiting for crystals to come and actually experience it.
सो अभी
उसके
आज ही
बाद
वो
आपने और एक
ऑर्डर.
फीडबैक लेना चाहिए.
हाँ, वो भी मैं लूंगी.
Actually.